what's up? Today I'm going to show you the most delicious and healthy recipe. They're my chocolate chip banana breakfast muffins. And they're so easy to make and they're so delicious. The kids love them and they're super healthy, packed with protein, packed with natural sweetness. And the best part is you can bulk prep them. So they're easy to grab and go, and they're one of our favorites in my household. Check them out. You like them too, huh? Voila, they are done, and you can top with things like peanut butter, almond butter, or they just taste awesome on their own, to be honest. If you like healthy recipes like these that make your life so much easier, be sure to download my healthy appetizer and snack guide. You do not have to compromise taste or flavor when you have a health or fitness goal.